Imagine having an AI assistant that can search through clinical trials, medical publications, and real research papers in seconds, then summarize everything into structured, source backed insights. That's exactly what I have built CuraLink, an AI powered medical research assistant built using the MERN stack and open source LLMs. Hi everyone, we are Beyond Zero, and in this video I'll show you CuraLink, a full stack healthcare research platform that combines AI, retrieval augmented generation, which is we call RAG, and real medical databases to create a smart health research companion. The platform receives data from sources like PubMed, OpenAlex, and ClinicalTrials.gov, then uses AI reasoning to generate personalized research-backed answers. Let's see like how it works. So this is the landing page that I have built. It is totally built using Claude, you can say, and it is totally based on Shadcyan, which is the most famous library nowadays for UI. Let's ask some questions. Let's start research. Then like I have asked one question already, which is like for the lung cancer. Like the here you we have to enter name, then the disease which we have, then the location. These are the optional, no need to, like it's not compulsory to write it. You can write it here like what you have to ask. Then see, this is what it has given the answer for basically this query. This is totally stored in the database which I had using MongoDB. Then let me take you through like what exactly I am doing. So let's check like what I have did. We'll just see like what a chat.js says. So basically here now let's talk about the engineering behind this. Like we can say the backend follows an end-to-end retrieval augmented generation pipeline. First, the user query is expanded using Meta's LLaMA model to generate smarter medical search queries. Then the system performs parallel retrieval from three major research sources, which is PubMed, OpenAlex, ClinicalTrials.gov. You can see these everything has different services where we fetch data, make it structured, and then it is shared to the LLM service for like getting the structured response and analyzed via like open large language model which is there. I am using LLaMA, Meta's LLaMA model to generate better responses. Then after this like we have merger.js logic. It comes in, which is uses basically all of the data from three sources and then merge it to same thing, like it is does not have any deduplications and these kind of things. Then after that the ranking algorithm takes place. Like in ranker we are like doing, instead of sending 100 of papers to the LLM because it will cause hallucination or we can say a very load to LLM. So instead of sending hundreds of papers to the LLM, I built a custom ranking engine that scores each result based on relevance, recency, and source credibility. Let's see, like finally the system filters everything down to only the highest quality publications and clinical trials before sending them into AI reasoning layer. So this is the logic in the ranker.js that splits everything, then gets the data structured and it is sent to AI. Then after this, for the AI layer, I use the Meta's open source that I already mentioned, LLaMA model requiring on running on Groq for ultra fast interface. One important thing here is hallucination prevention that I already mentioned. The LLM is strictly instructed through system prompts, the only answer using retrieved medical evidence and output structured JSON. Then, instead of chunking research paper aggressively and losing scientific context, CuraLink leverages large context prompting. The system injects filtered abstracts, metadata, conversation history, and research citations directly into the prompt, where this thing can be shown like query expander. So here everything is embedded in the query, and here the best query is formed for LLaMA, which will give us like results after sending the query. So CuraLink also supports contextual multi-turn conversations. Like if here we comes and we can ask him, can I take vitamin D, and hit search. So it analyzes all of the data which is on PubMed, OpenAlex, and the ClinicalTrials.gov and gets the data for us. The system remembers the previous lung cancer context, retrieves new related literature, and generates a much more personalized response, like we are seeing here. Like lung cancer, then vitamin D, does we can take it or not, what its deficiency will cause, those kind of things. Also, all conversations are persistent in MongoDB, allowing the assistant to behave more like a long-term healthcare research companion. Then this CuraLink was built using MERN stack. Like for the instead of React, I have used Next.js because it has much more powerful features like caching and all those. Then MongoDB is used here along with Just and ShareCN UI that I already mentioned at start. Then Groq API, LLaMA 3 model, and the research APIs that are available publicly. My goal is to build something that feels modern, fast, and genuinely useful. Then the project was an amazing experience combining AI engineering, healthcare research, and full stack development into one platform. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know what AI project I should build next. Thanks for watching. This is Beyond Zero signing off. Thank you.